Magandang araw mga kaguro. Napakasayang araw po dahil kahapon. Yes, kahapon po naglabas ang ating USEC Annalyn M. Civilian ng statement ukol sa status ng ating PBB 2019. At nakakatuwa po na ang post niya ay ganito. The Interagency Task Force on the Harmonization of National Government Performance Monitoring Information and Reporting Systems has released the letter below announcing the eligibility of the DepEd OSEC for the grant of the fiscal year 2019 PBB. However, there are few offices which are exempted due to non-compliance. Certain units or persons in the SDOs, ROs, and CO were identified as ineligible. All schools, teaching and non-teaching, and all finance positions are eligible from levels of school, SDO, RO, and CO. DepEd is now coordinating with DBM to start processing of the release of PBB 2019 on the basis of this official eligibility certification. So, ayun po. So, attached po dito sa videong ito ay yung letter din po na ibinigay sa DepEd na nagsasabi nga po na eligible na ang ating department para matanggap ang ating PBB 2019. Nakakatuwa po dahil katatapos lang ng ating bonus noong May at meron na naman pong kasunod na biyayang matatanggap ang mga kaguruan. Although nakakalungkot dahil based from this report, meron pong mga regions na late na nakapagpasa which are regions 1, 8, and 9. Pero alam ko kahit na late yung pagpapasa nila ay eligible pa rin naman sila makatanggap ng PBB. Also, lahat ng schools, lahat ng personnel teaching and non-teaching and all finance position are eligible now for PBB. Nakakatuwa lang na sana naman medyo mataas ang matanggap nating PBB ngayong taon na ito. And nakakalungkot at the same time kasi yung release ng PBB naging iba-iba na. Sana naman sa susunod magkaroon na ng fix na month kung kailan ba maipapasa, maibibigay ang ating PBB. So, ayun lamang po sa video na ito. Maraming salamat.